Okay, I'm just gonna get the water and I'm going upstairs because it is so cold down here. There's only 2 waters in the entire fridge. Not even like a sandwich or something. I mean, I know that we just moved in, but like, only 2 waters. Mom needs to go grocery shopping. Wait, what am I even saying? I just need to get a water and then like go back upstairs. I guess I'll drink this one since it's more healthy. Let me take a sip before I go upstairs because my throat is so dry. Okay, that is so much better, but my throat is still so dry. So I think I'm just gonna take like a few more sips before I go upstairs. Okay, I'll go upstairs now because the water is not helping how cold I am. So I'm gonna go upstairs now. Okay, let me go inside. Wait, why isn't it going up? Am I stuck up here? I mean, not up here, down here. Am I stuck down here? Hello, Mom, Dad, Estelle, can you guys hear me? Hello, Mom, Dad, can anyone hear me? Huh? Is that Sarah? Wait, where is Sarah? She's not in the bed. Is she downstairs? I'm coming. Sarah, come up here. I can't. What do you mean you can't? The elevator's broken. How do you even get down there? The elevator, duh. So then why can't you come up? Because it broke, Estelle. It broke. I'm just gonna go downstairs to get you. What? The elevator won't open. Wait, never mind. I got it to where? Oh, okay, good. Going up. Oh my god. It was so cold down there. I almost died. I think you're being a little bit dramatic, Sarah. Maybe just a little. But okay, let's go back to bed. I'm so tired. It'll probably be like gone in the morning. Yeah, and it's like 12 a.m. 12 a.m.? Oh my god. You know what? Never mind. Let's go. Okay.